How to share location on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or people that you follow on Instagram. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your story. Now, tap on the camera icon to take a photo or video. Here, you can add a post, story, reel, or go live on Instagram. On the screen, tap on the capture button to take a photo. Then, go to the edit options at the top and tap on the sticker icon as shown. Then, tap on location. Here, you can search for places in the search bar to add to your story. You can also turn on location services to include and see nearby places. To do that, turn on location services. Then tap on Open Settings to allow Instagram access to your location. Now tap on Location. Here, select while using the app. This will allow Instagram to access your location only while you're using the app. Now go back to the Instagram page and you can view all the places near you under Locations. Select a location to add to your story. Then, tap on Your Story at the bottom left corner. You have now successfully added the location to your story. Following these steps, you can easily share location on Instagram.